Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up a pipeline inside System. What is a pipeline? A pipeline is a simple stage-by-stage board that shows you where every lead or customer currently is in your process. So for example, if you have a funnel where, let's say you're giving away a lead magnet and then you are selling a course, you can view exactly what are your customer doing, where are they in the funnel, and how you can move them from one step to another. Let me show you how to set up a pipeline here. You go to CRM, go to pipelines, and then click on create. Name your pipeline. So for this one, I'm just going to call it ebook pipeline. And then you can set up your stages. So I'm going to remove this one and set up stages specifically for my funnel. All right, let's edit this one. Let me call this ebook opt-in. And over here, course buyer. And then let's say I have one more offer here, which is an upsell 101. So these are the 3 offers, 3 steps in my funnel, and I will create a pipeline based on that specific funnel. Go ahead and click on save. Click on it to view your pipeline, and this is how it's going to look like. You can go ahead and click on add contact, and you can manually add contacts in each stage. You can add existing contact or create a new contact. Let's start by adding an existing contact. Click on next and then start typing an email address and then click save, and you are going to see the contact appear here. Just go ahead and click refresh, and there we go. The contact has already appeared here. You can also create a new contact, so just click here and then click next and then start creating the contact here. You can manually move each card to any stage, but let's be honest, manually takes time, and if you want to make this entire process a breeze, you need to start automating so that your pipeline is always updated depending on what's going on in your funnels. So in order to automate the process, you are going to go to your funnel. Let's say this is my funnel, and in this funnel I am giving away an ebook and I'm selling a course. So on the squeeze page, you click on automation rule, and this is where you are going to add them to a pipeline. So scroll down, click on add rule, trigger, funnel step from subscribed, and then action. Make sure you add a tag. This is very, very important. No matter what is happening in your funnel, whether someone's signing up or someone is registering for an event or someone is purchasing something, make sure you always add a tag. Now, this tag could look like ebook buyer. And then go ahead and add the new action again. And this action, I want to add people to a pipeline. So select the pipeline, ebook pipeline, and then select the stage. At this point, I'm going to add them to the ebook opt-in stage. If you want, you can add more actions. For example, subscribe them to a campaign or send them an email. So this will happen automatically as soon as someone signs up for your ebook or whatever offer you have. They will automatically be added a tag and they will be added to a pipeline. Make sure you save this rule, and you can do the same with the rest of your pages. Here's another way to add contacts to pipeline, and that is through automations and workflows. Let me show you an example. Let's say I want to add people who purchased my course to my pipeline stage course buyers. So I'm going to go to the order page and I'm going to set up a basic automation. For example, add rule, trigger, new sale, and then the action is going to be add a tag. And let me call it course buyers. And then if I want to add another action here, I can subscribe them to a campaign here. and let me pick a campaign. Let's say it's a 5-day challenge campaign, and then go ahead and click save. Now I'm going to go ahead and go to automations and click on workflows. This is where you can create more advanced automations. Name your workflow. So I'm going to call it ebook pipeline workflow. Click on save. Open your workflow, and now you can start setting up your trigger. So my first trigger will be if a tag is added, and the tag is going to be course buyers. Then I want to add them to a specific pipeline stage. So action, then you can select the pipeline, add to a pipeline stage, select the pipeline, ebook pipeline, and then the stage is going to be course buyers. And then click on create. Once you're done, go ahead and click exit and make sure you activate this workflow. So this is how you create pipelines in System.io. I think this is a very important feature, and it really helps you see what is actually happening in your funnel, who are the leads who opted in, and if you are selling through your funnel, who are the people who actually purchased. And from there, you can make important decisions. For example, the people who did not purchase your course, you could send them an email or send them a personal message asking them what is the reason why they did not purchase and how you can improve. And through their feedback, you can make improvements. So I hope you like this video. If you do, go ahead, like and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions, please make sure to drop in the comments below. If you need more help and support with launching and monetizing your funnel in System.io, make sure you join my Success with System.io school community. This is where you can learn more about building and launching and monetizing your funnel using my proven strategies. You will also get direct coaching with me, and you can network and connect with other like-minded individuals who are in the same journey as you. Once you join, you can get access to my free course about mastering System.io. You can get access to live workshops that I do every now and then. You can ask me any questions and get support from my team. You will learn how to build, launch, and scale your funnels from end to end. You're going to get access to all my email copy templates and my funnel templates. I go live every week, so you can join and ask your questions, and we can even brainstorm your offer ideas and build your funnel together. You can get 7 days free access. Join us, experience the community, and if you enjoy being a part of Success with System.io, then it's $7 per month. Otherwise, you can cancel anytime. Go ahead and join us today and get access to all the courses inside the community. Plus, you can start interacting and asking your questions inside the community. I hope to see you inside.